girls with their nails done now.
Okay, that is your fate line. Now I want to kind of put things together. This is a kind of a wealth thing, how this works. And we're putting together the money lines, the fate line, and the achievement lines. And so this is where you're at right here, right around in your early 70s right here. And looks like things are just going to kind of run the way they've been running. We don't see a lot of change there. And this is your 70s here. So it looks like you got your income streams, and they're going to go up there into your 80s and 90s. So that's where we're at here on your money lines, income streams. And then it shows that you have some more achievements here up into your 70s up here. So it looks like things are just going to kind of cruise along, and you'll do quite well there.
Dive deeper into the mysteries of your life. Our sponsor, Psychic Source, is the real deal. The advisors are compassionate, knowledgeable, and in tune. Our readings were mind-blowing. Their insights will light up your spirit. Follow the link in the description or go to trypsychicssource.com/cosmic. That's cosmic with a K, to take advantage of a special offer of 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80.
Here, let me give you another example. So right here, that's age 45, like we talked about, coming up on your fate line. That's age 45, and this is age 45 on your money lines right here. So you can see where those income streams were. They really started to culminate in your early 50s, it looks like. And then we look at your achievement lines down here. Remember where that kind of breaks and starts going this way? That's around age 40. So looks like you had some good achievements there in your mid 40s. And those continue on all the way up into your 90s. Oh my gosh. You're going to be one of those 90-year-olds out there swinging a golf club. That's amazing. Oh, okay, so that's how we put all those lines together so you can see the big picture. Now, we're going to take a look at your creative achievement lines. And that's these lines right here. Let me zoom in on there so you can see that a little better. We've got creative achievement lines here. And what those are little lines, means you're going to do something creative, or you've done something creative in the past that you're going to be recognized for. And you have a little bit of a fame line right here. So if you haven't done it in the past, it's going to happen sometime. That means that you'll create a piece of music, a piece of art, maybe write a paper, a book, just anything that's creative. Or you could invent something or reinvent something. Maybe invent a different way of doing something. That's what these lines represent right here. Creative achievement. And you've got a couple of good lines right there.